Hey there everyone, today we're going to be doing another quick test of the fire alarm system for my garage. All the devices are the same as the last system test, but I did make one change. That bell over there, that is set on continuous, which means it's going to be pretty loud. So I'm thinking we're going to test a smoke detector because I haven't tested this one up here in a while. We're going to test that and then I think we'll go outside, see how it sounds, and then reset the system. There. Yep, you can still hear it pretty well. As you can hear, it vibrates this entire wall right here. I can feel it vibrating. All right. And the alarms are all reset. I think that's gonna wrap it up for the quick test. Thank you all for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Go check out some other videos and have a great day.